Okay, rice cleaning machine SYP4506 normal type. Heat-time coated mold and switch box alarm lamp for Brazil. Very nice. Okay, temperature 260 and speed 4.7, thickness 5 and depth of core is 2.7 as the first setting. Pressure. This is 150. Alright, 120 black color number and pressure gauge. Let's check what set the pressure gauge. You had better close it to use longer. Emergency button here. Alright, cover is covered. It's white rice and brown rice mix. Heating plate. If we go forward, the frog sensor red lights turn off. Come back to the end, turn on again, otherwise cannot go to the step. Spring, the fitting plate bring back, and drive button you have the fitting plate forward. Just inside the same. Okay, the control box is a two position. The control box here and the below is blocked.